Hello, YouTube. All right, we're live on YouTube as well. We are doing some more Boot.dev stuff. All right, let me go ahead and post in Discord, publish. That's it. Everything's all set up. I did not work out today. I am really tired. I might go running after this. I haven't decided yet, but I do know I'm going to be working out with a buddy tomorrow. Definitely not skipping tomorrow, but I don't know, man. I think my body needs a little bit of rest. We'll see. Drinking a little bit of Gatorade to see if I can get some energy, but we'll see. All right. Oh, I don't have the proper YouTube chat open. Of course I don't. Pop out. All right. Looks good. All right, we're going to get rolling very shortly. All right, so we got internals. Got 8 chapters for that, and then we got config. We got 7 chapters for that. We'll see how long we go today. But I at least like to put in about like an hour or something like that. All right, we'll wait 35 seconds for Twitch ads to finish, and we are good to go. Man, am I tired today. What's up, Jake? Not a lot. Just tired today. How you doing, man? I'm trying these wrist. I got this wrist compression thing. It's just like $15. I think it helps a little bit, but I scheduled a doctor's appointment to maybe. I don't know. I don't think I need a scan of my wrist. I think maybe I just need like a really rest my wrist. Maybe get a brace or something. I don't know. But we'll see kind of towards the end of next week. My wrists are better, but it's been bugging me. Tired as well, but overall not bad. Glad to hear it, man. Glad to hear it. Well, you'll be tired. It's okay to be tired. What's up, not a hacker? I'll pin this. If you have questions about becoming a web dev, free to ask me in chat. Just to let people know they can. Pin, yes, and manual. Let's go. All right, cool. Let's dive in. My latest git commit hash was this. You may have noticed that even though you and I both have the same content in our repos, we have different commit hashes. While commit hashes are derived from their content changes, there's also some other stuff that affects the end hash. For example, the commit message, the author's name and email, the date and time, parent, previous commit hashes. All this to say that hashes are almost always unique, and because they're generated automatically for you, you don't have to worry too much about what goes into them right now. Note, hash equals SHA. Git uses a cryptographic hash function called SHA1 to generate commit hashes. We don't go into the details of how SHA1 works in this course, but it's important to know because you might also hear commit hashes referred to as SHAs. All right, if you're not careful, you have 2 commits with the same hash. False. Which does not affect the hash of a commit. Text editor. Which, plumbing. So far, we've been using Git in a porcelain manner, but to sate our insatiable curiosity, let's take a look at some of the plumbing. This is files all the way down. All the data in the Git repo is stored directly in the hidden Git directory. That includes all the commits, branches, tags, and other objects we'll learn about later. Git is made up of objects that are stored in the Git objects directory. A commit is just a type of object. Use git log-n10 to find your commit hash again. Or maybe just do git log. Use ls-al to list the contents. Look for a directory that suspiciously matches the first two characters of your commit hash. So we probably ls five seven right there. Okay. First two characters. Use ls-al to list the contents of that directory and answer the question. Five seven. Oh. No such file or directory. What? No. Okay, so we got our response. Wonder why we're getting that. So we have objects 57. E86. What are we looking for? Okay, no, it's not going to be the same. Get objects number colon. No. Is that like a continued onto the next line? I think it is. So it's going to be get objects number this. Okay, cool. We do this. Really? Huh. I think that just means a continuation of the next line. Yo, what's up, Jessa? Happy Thursday to you as well. How you doing? I'm really hoping this Gatorade wakes me up. The object file. Let's take a look at what's inside the suspicious commit object file. Try to cat the contents of the commit object file, which will interpret the contents as text. Okay, let's try it. Of that file. Okay. The contents have been compressed to raw bytes. Try again with the xxd command to print the contents of the file in hexadecimal format. Okay. Cool. We have it installed. Do that again, but redirect the output to a temporary file so the test can read it. Temp, okay. All right, let's run our tests. What? Why? We don't... Really? The fuck? Why? Why was boot... What happened to the installation? That's weird. Okay, we'll install it again. Goes... Wait, what? Version, goes a tool. Go version, that's right. Okay. So we have Go installed. I'm pretty sure we have Boot.dev installed, but we probably... We don't need this. No, I didn't mistype it. That's crazy. Why? All right, we'll figure it out. Hmm. The fuck? Where? Download, build, and install boot.dev command. So... The path doesn't... Is it set up? I mean, it's set up for Go, right? I'm just going to run this again. Isn't in your path. Okay, you need to add the directory to the path by modifying your shell's configuration. You may need to add home go. Okay, we'll just add this. It was working before. All right, we got boot.dev again. All right, we'll keep that in our config file. Fuck it, why not? Well, we already authenticated, so I'm going to assume we're authenticated. All right, we are authenticated. Cool. All right, let's go. Moving on. Cat file. Luckily, Git has a built-in plumbing command cat file that allows us to see the contents of a commit without needing to futz around with the object files directly. Okay. Use cat file command to view the contents of your last commit. For the CLI to be able to check your output, do it again, but redirect the output to a temporary file. So just the hash. I think we can use the first 7 characters, right? But we'll just use the whole thing. All right. So now we're going to pipe that into tmp cat file out.txt. Let's run it. I guess last time it was running on the magic and power of friendship. Hell yeah, it was. Yeah, maybe we didn't like relaunch the shell or something, and we just assumed it was working. I don't know. That's weird. Trees and blobs. Now that we understand some of our plumbing equipment, let's get into the pipes. Here are some terms to know. Tree gets way of storing a directory. Blob gets way of storing a file. Here's what I got when I inspected my last commit. So we have, okay, we have our tree. We have our author, committer. Notice we can see tree, author, committer, the commit message. However, we cannot see the contents of the contents file itself. That's because the blob object stores it. Use get cat file p again, but this time with a hash of the tree object instead of the commit hash. You should see a blob object with its own hash. Okay. Or here it is. Or is... Yeah, okay. Get cat file p. Here, let's can we do like help? Give me like the dash p. Okay, pretty print. Is that what it is? Okay. I was wondering what the flag was. P. Did I do it correctly? The tree. Oh, no. I didn't grab the tree. Get cat file p. Okay, so we have the blob, which the blob is a way of storing a file. All right. Run that command, but this time redirect the output to a temporary file. Let's run our tests. No. We'll fix that. What happened to the wrist? What's up, Commandos? I don't know. I don't know. Both my wrists feel weak. The right wrist, I slipped on some black ice about 2 weeks ago. Still not 100%. Hoping I didn't tear my TFCC because it was partly torn before when I was younger. But the left wrist is the one that feels unstable. Like even if I wash my hands and like press like this, even if I do this, well, it doesn't hurt now because probably because I have the brace on. But well, I don't know. If I take this brace off, it'll probably hurt. But I don't know what happened to it. I have no idea because I didn't fall on this wrist. I have no idea. So I have just in case it doesn't get better, I got a doctor's appointment scheduled for like a week and a half. We'll see. I don't want to get a bunch of scans on it, though. It's expensive. I'm hoping it just gets better. Perhaps, but that part was optional and I don't remember doing it. Since it's in the Go installation and Go is working fine, feel free to explain it. That it fixed. I mean, Jake, it fixed it for us. We didn't have to reinstall Go. at all. My guess is installing Go didn't really set up that path. When we did set up the path, then it worked again. So we tried restarting the shell without adding anything to the ZSH config. So I don't think it set it up like you think it did when we installed Go. And I think we just didn't relaunch the shell last time or something like that. But yeah, that fixed it. That was the fix. All right. So we want to see the blob with its own hash. Tree is 0f. We are not... Oh, no. 0f. Blog file. A blob. That's what it is. Interesting. So the previous test was fine, or maybe it's these wrist pad things. I don't know. Try again. Still failing. We'll get it though. Seems so. The important part works now. We know more. Yeah. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. Blob file.txt. We have contents. To contain hashtag space contents. We piped with the hash of the tree. So we did pipe with the hash of the tree. Guys, let me know if you spot something I screwed up here. But it looks like we did a cat file. Here of our commit hash. Then we grabbed the hash of the tree. And then when we cat that, we see blob. You'll see that there's no pound sign. Is there supposed to be a pound sign? No, I don't think so. It's just talking about the file name here. But the content is supposed to have a file or a pound sign, right? But then we did cat of... Sorry, not cat. We did cat file with the tree hash. We piped it into tmp blob file.txt. We spelled it correctly. But it looks like it's looking for hashtag contents, which I'm assuming is like the contents of that actual... I mean, okay, so we have hashtag contents here. Is this not weird? So we have no file. So let's redo this. So we do a git log. I'm gonna grab this commit. So we have git cat file p. We grab the tree at contents. Git cat file p. So now we have the blob. To view the contents of the blob, run that same command, but this time redirect the output. So we're running the same command here. We're not doing it again on the blob object, but we're piping that into tmp.blobfile.txt. Let's try it again. I'm not sure what to do here. What if we do it on the blob? So are the instructions... So it looks like we'll get hashtag contents if we do it on the blob. Or maybe I'm misreading it. You should see blob object. Oh. Use cat file again to view the contents of the blob object. That's it. Yep. Once again, it's a reading. Okay. Will it... What happens here? Does it replace it? It does. Okay. All right, cool. Hey, what's up, Zinka? How you doing? Non didn't believe me that you were a trouble starter. There we go. Oh, we got it. Let's go. Tanukas Day. Welcome. How you doing? Reading is the easy part, understanding not so much. Yeah. For you. Reading's the hard part for me. I think, like, I'm going through it, and I'm able to use these commands and follow instructions with the commands. But so far, like, just going over the terminology without, like, any meaning behind it, I don't think helps. Like, why am I going over this? Why do I care about any of this? Give me a reason. I don't see the purpose of some of these lessons. It's good, and Non didn't believe you because I'm nice to her. Why are you nice to her? And not me? What the hell? Don't hack me? Okay, I'll try. Yeah, what the hell? Second commit. Reminder of the command syntax. Git log, qexit, arrow keys, git cat file -p. Log is a porcelain command, while cat file is a plumbing command. You'll use log much more often when working on coding projects, but cat file is used for us in the course to understand Git's internals. Wait, you had points? I don't know what you're saying. What? Yeah, I don't even recognize your name. How do you have points? She's a sweetheart. I'd feel bad if I bullied her like I do. Dude, I'm a sweetheart. What are you talking about? I'm so nice to you. And other people. Unbelievable. Okay. So cat file helps us understand the Git internals. Create a second file called titles.md and add the following text. Let's do it. Oh, you followed me? Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I forgot about the TTS. I completely forgot about that. You are nice to me, it's true. Not really. I do give you a lot of shit. I like Boot.dev, but sometimes the things are not clear enough or the purpose is questionable. Also, I learn better from videos and text, unless it's written in a real book versus notes. Yeah, I don't think Boot.dev has some moments where it's not clear why you're learning it. Sometimes it kind of feels like it's just spitting out terminology, like just learn it because we're telling you to learn it, but there's no lead up to it. Like some things just aren't connected and you don't really know why you're learning it. I think knowing why you're learning it is very helpful. I agree with that. I didn't know what that meant. Oh, the command. Tanu, what do you code, by the way? What are you learning or what are you building? Nicer than most. Awesome. Wait, you have a lot of people being mean to you? Really? Oh, maybe in your chat? I'll take that. Nicer than most. Let's go. All right. All right, let's... Again, okay, so... Cat... Touch. Okay. So... we are going to touch on titles.md. We're going to touch them. That definitely looks like we're touching something else if you read that word differently. And then we're going to go ahead and go inside of titles. Let's write some stuff. All right. And we save it. What's up, Renee? How you doing? I don't code? Okay, code anymore, but I took 2 years of robotics in school. Ah, okay, cool. Robotics seemed pretty cool. I probably should have done something like that when I was younger. All right. Save, stage, and commit the file with any commit message you like, as long as it starts with capital B. All right, let's do it. All right, so we have... So B... for bitches. All right, we are... To inspect the commit you just made, you should notice one extra field in the commit object that wasn't present in the first commit. Okay, so git cat file, and then titles. No? What? Git cat file p titles dot... No. Git log... Then we're going to do git cat file p. So we have tree, parent, author, and committer. Okay, so we have a parent. Nice. Okay. Very cool. Run and submit the CLI tests. Okay, so we don't have to pipe this to anything. And please do like the YouTube live stream if you are on YouTube. YouTube does not push my streams out, the coding streams, that much. So we also have a lot of videos coming out in February, 2 each week. That's a lot for me. So we'll see if that boosts the live streams a little bit. But again, I always love that people are joining the Twitch. Twitch is where, like, It's the best live stream experience. I totally didn't clip you touching titties. That's good. I need more clips. That's good. Zinka knows what's up. She's a streamer. She knows. I do need more clips, though. I do. All right. Let's see. Okay, we're good. Moving on. Last lesson. Let's go. I do. We're starting to grow on Twitch a little bit. Our average viewers used to be like 3. Maybe 5 if we were lucky. You know, we're starting to grow a little bit. That's kind of cool. I like to clip the ones that make you sound pro furry, though. Yes, I'm not creating any more clippable moments for that. Not happening. I think the only one that was clipped was me shitting on furries. I think. Twitch is gaining on... Dude, Twitch is beating YouTube. What's going on over there on YouTube? You guys are slacking. YouTube's weird with the live streams. YouTube's really good for events. YouTube is really good for events. But just like kind of coding along and just randomly, you know, just like the Twitch style of show what I'm doing, show what I'm working on doesn't work on YouTube that well. Because I'll launch my next video. I think my next video is going to do pretty well. At least 2,000, minimum 2,000 views. I could be way off, but that should be the bare minimum. And I'll get a bunch of views for that. But the live streams, man, if we're just coding like this, eventually my average viewers, they just go down. I'm okay with that because I'm not trying to grow on YouTube. In fact, I'll usually lose a subscriber per live stream on YouTube. Like almost every single time. So I kind of just use it to connect with people there, you know? That's it. So if you're a streamer, YouTube is not a good way to grow your live streams unless you're doing like specific events and it's like time stuff. People on YouTube don't like watching code. I don't think they do. YouTube doesn't like people coding. I don't know. Yeah, maybe both. But yeah, I don't think people like watching code on YouTube. What's up, Anonymous? How you doing, man? That's weird. They probably don't go in a while, so they unsubscribe them from it. That's what it likely is. They're just like, oh, I forgot. That's what I do. I'm like, oh, I forgot I subscribed to that person. I don't want them in my feed. I don't watch them anymore. And it's just a reminder. I could see that. And I'm also launching a short every single morning, except for my video release days. So I'm launching a lot of content. Some people might even get annoyed of it, and that's okay. But people aren't unsubscribing with my shorts, though. Barely ever. Twitch is king in live streaming. It very much is. You hate winter? Dude, this is the only winter where I want it to go away. I'm in Indiana, you know, but I have not even gotten to shovel my driveway. Like, we're not even getting fun snow. It's just cold. Like, if you're going to be cold, give me snow. I have no snow. Just got back from halfway shoveling off ice off the driveway. Right now, my ears ache. That's the... I don't know. That's fun, man. And it's a good workout, is it not? Like, you don't have to go to the gym. You can just do a bit of a back workout and shovel your driveway. The shorts might do good. Yeah, I think... So, I am losing followers on TikTok and Instagram, I think. My Reels and TikToks are not doing well. Or YouTube. Recently, I've been getting way more likes on my shorts. Like, people are responding positively much more on these recent shorts. But because people are responding positively, it's not pushing it out to hate watchers. And I think the hate watchers are the people that help me grow on YouTube with my shorts. And they're not responding. And I figured, like, the recent shorts would trigger some people. Nope. But I don't know. Algorithms always change, and I have no idea what's going on, but Yeah, my videos are what gains subscribers. That's it on YouTube. It's a big one. Shorts definitely killed my revenue. It lowered my CPM by a lot. I think I make like what, 250 per month just with YouTube ads, which is nothing. I used to make 1,500 a month, around there. It's like I can't depend on YouTube revenue at all anymore. But we'll see when I create these videos and launch them in February. Maybe it'll go up because I haven't been launching a lot of videos. I've been launching a lot of reactions. At least it's not poop. Very true. I'd rather shovel snow for sure. I know people in Canada who have abs just from shoveling. Yeah, they probably shovel every single day. But yeah, it's a good workout. We had snow for like 2 weeks. Now it was even somewhat warm for January. Yeah. Got to like almost 50 here. TikTok got banned, so if someone deleted it, they can reinstall it. Got banned. Wait, TikTok got banned, so if someone deleted it, they can reinstall it. I don't. What? Yeah, except a little metal shovel is the only thing that work, and possibly shoveling technique is hurting my hand. Oh yeah. Oh, is it hurting your hand, or is it like making it raw? January is known for low ad revenue too. Maybe it'll get better in a few months. Maybe you're right. I haven't really paid attention to. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Ad revenue tends to be down after December. You are right about that. I do remember that. In general, creators mostly rely on sponsorship, so I hope in that regard you were doing somewhat well. Yeah, I'm able to pay my bills. I basically pay my bills through affiliate stuff with Boot.dev and Scriba. I have one, Code Crafters. No one is signing up for their paid plans. I think I like got 7 people to sign up. I mean, so people are. That tells me maybe people aren't really liking that. But then again, I have an audience of new people, and Code Crafters is not for new people. It's for people that kind of like really want to upgrade, that are already in the industry. So I can understand why that's not paying off. But then I mix it with mentorship and outsourcing my services to bootcamp career services and stuff like that. Yeah, it's not YouTube ad revenue saving me. I can tell you that. What's up, Sucks? How you doing, man? TikTok not banned anymore, but you can reinstall it. Yeah, you can reinstall it for sure. I have paid plan of Code Crafters, but not through your code, sadly. Didn't watch you when I signed up. Oh, gotcha. How are you liking it? I'm kind of curious. Yeah, so we have someone who has gone through it. How are you liking Code Crafters? I actually had thought about creating something like that a while back. And then I came across Code Crafters. Storing data. Git stores an entire snapshot of files on a per commit level. This is a surprise to me. The files on a per commit. I always assumed each commit only stored the changes made in that commit. I would assume that as well. Optimization. While it's true that Git stores entire snapshots, it does have some performance optimization so that your Git directory doesn't get too unbearably large. Git compresses and packs files to store them more efficiently. Git deduplicates files that are the same across different. So, like if you have like images and stuff like that, you're committing those to the repo. And your repo is large. That's even if it's compressed, it stores it in every single commit. That's kind of crazy. So I'm starting to see the optimization that can happen when you squash a lot of commits, which is what we did in a couple of my teams. So I do get that now. That makes sense. See, this was helpful. Git duplicate files that are the same across different commits. Oh, deduplicates. Okay. If a file doesn't change between commits, Git will only store it once. Oh, okay. Gotcha. It only store it once. And yeah, it is most definitely for more experienced people. I like it, but it's a little bit extreme for someone on my level, but I'm trying to go through little by little each time. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty intense. It probably doesn't like really walk you through a lot of the finer details. has some assumed knowledge. Get cat p to view the hash of the blob. Okay. Of the blob, to view the hash of the blob with the titles, the titties file in your last commit. Okay. So if we do git log, okay, we get the tree. We get the blob for titties. Copy. Get cat file p. Okay. Blob. So here's the contents. Okay, so the tree, then the blob, and then when we access the blob, it's the file itself, and then we get the content. Got it. Save that hash somewhere in your notes. Add a new directory to your project called quotes. Okay, so save that hash. All right. Oh, and notes. Do we have notes? Can we write notes in this? That'd be cool. I thought he implemented something like that. Hey, what's up, Bones? How have you been? Basically, do this. Good luck. Have fun. Yeah, I would probably enjoy something like that. But yeah, if you're new, that's got to be pretty rough. But hey, if you're enjoying it, that's awesome. So if you have a lot of one thing on your computer, it will delete the extras. Yeah, kind of. That's what it seems like. Like it won't, if we're saving like all the files in each commit, it'll be able to shorten what it saves, because it probably like saves like a entire list of the files, and then it'll link to that as a reference, so it won't have to keep resaving every single file and every single commit when we just change one file. So it doesn't have to like store another copy of the same file. It might be. Yeah, I thought he mentioned something about notes. I'm just going to store it in the browser here in another tab. Because what's another tab? All right. Save that hash somewhere. Cool. Titles. All right, and then add a new directory called quotes. And add 2 files. Touch star wars.md. Okay, so we saved this. Reinforcing a lot of command line stuff. That's good. That's good. And then we're going to touch dune.md. Stage and commit both files in a single commit. Cool. Git commit C for cat. Oh. Doesn't matter? We just need C, right? As a saying, for example. Okay. Use the command cat file to view the hash of the blob for titles again. Of the blob. Okay. We didn't save the hash of the blob, did we? Did we? Yeah, I think we did. So we're gonna do git log, grab this, git cat file p, and then we go to the tree, Git cat file p. And then we have the blob of titles here. D2. Okay, so it's the same. Should notice that it still is the same hash because the file hasn't changed. Okay, like it. All right, cool. It's just a reference to where it is stored. So resubmit the test, or submit these tests. All right, let's go. We did it. Oh, man. Internals. Okay, so we got to navigate the internals a little bit. I think I want to keep going. I'm just deciding if I want to run today because I'm really tired. I will feel better. And so my running kind of like, I was getting up there for a little bit, but then I took a long break. The last, well, I didn't run. It was a jog, but the last I ran a mile and a quarter. So I'd be running a mile and a half today. And I do want to try to beat it. I don't know. Here's the thing. It's like I think I can force myself to do it. That's not a problem. It's like, but I'm trying to pay attention if like my body just needs to rest or not. But usually when I feel like I'm tired and I need to rest, if I do it, I feel better anyways, and I usually don't overdo it. I just didn't feel like doing it, so maybe I should. Because the workout tomorrow, it's going to be lifting, and it's going to be light because I can't do much with my wrists. I don't know what I'm going to be able to do with my buddy. I really don't know. We'll find out. I'll probably wear this, but run, Forrest, run. I should run. Dude, I just drink a Gatorade, man. It's supposed to be a sugar rush, and it's supposed to be a sugar rush. What are the next lessons? We have git config, get, unset, duplicates, remove. I should keep going. Go for a run, 1.5 miles. It's like, dude, I can't run 1.5 miles in 15. Well, what do I run it in? I just go on the treadmill and put it on speed 4. So 4 miles per hour. Do the calculation. How long would that take me? But I'm chilling at 4. I know what you're going to say, Zink. Oh, that's slow. You might as well be walking, but that's jogging. Not everyone is a marathon runner. Isn't that long? Yeah, I don't think it'll be that long. Maybe 20 minutes. Yeah, maybe 20 minutes. I think Bones is a little bit more realistic. No, run at the speed you need to. Yeah. I enjoy it. I do. I think I do want to run. All right, let's keep going then. We'll take a little bit of a break. When in 8 minutes, we're going to lose our... or we're going to have ads for the pre-rolls again, so we'll have to run a couple of small ads, but we'll keep going. Git stores author information so that when you're making a commit, it can track who made the changes. Here's how you might update your global git config. Don't do this yet. All right, let's take the command apart. Git config. The command to interact with your git configuration. Add flag stating you want to add a configuration. Global flag stating you want this configuration to be stored globally in your git config. Okay. The opposite is local, which stores a configuration in your current repository only. User name, primogen value. Assignment is you can actually store any old data in your Git configuration. Granted, only certain keys are used by Git, but you can store whatever you want. set the following useless key value pairs in your local git config for the Webflix repository. Emit the global flag to set them locally. So we have git config add. Okay. Git config add. Bam. Webflix. Here, are we doing this in quotes? No. .ceo is the... we might test on this. Let's do this exactly. Just Prime, just trying to get someone to say his name again. Damn it. Webflix.cto. The lane agin. I'll type it out. Config add Webflix valuation mid. All right. Mid. Yes. So git as a command to view the contents of your config list. Okay, local. Cool. You can also just view the contents of your local config file directly. Oh, by the way, I think I am going to add sub or song requests to for subs here. I got to set that up this weekend. I got to also port my playlist to YouTube. Okay. Git config. Wait, cat git config. Okay. Gotcha. Webflix core. All right. Let's run it. Primogen loves his name. You know he does. What? So literally, I did this. I mean, are we supposed to set it just for CEO? I think so. I want to see Don hit 1.5 miles in under 10 minutes by the end of the year. What are you running, Bones? What's up, VR? Hi, Don. Is that a local terminal or in the browser terminal with the platform? This is local. Oh, yeah, you guys, sorry, you guys can't see it. You guys are in the way. You guys need to move, okay? Move. Boom. All right, now you can see it. I guess we'll try it and see if this works. So we have git config add so what are we doing? We're adding CEO the Primogen. Is not kind of section. Do we have to put -- local user.name? No, this is correct. So Webflix CEO, the Primogen, the Lanagen, and mid. Did I misspell something? So it looks like it was split up properly. Oh, I misspelled okay. Valuation. Fuck it. We'll add it again. I used to I used to run it about 9 minutes a decade ago. Yeah, that almost were you like in track? That is pretty fast. Are you talking about like a mile? Um did I do that again? Valuation. Okay. There we go. Oh, I got to do the questing, right? Achievements, quests. I don't know how much we earn, so we'll just do the 500. Get. We've used list to see all the configuration values, but the -- get flag is useful for getting a single value. Config get. Keys are in the format section. Key, for example, user.name, webflix.ceo. Assignment, use the get to get the value of webflix.valuation. Run and submit the test. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Stand for a bit. All right. Oh, man. I need a new mattress topper. Oh, my neck. I think my mattress topper has been causing all my issues. Every single one of them. I just get a feeling. I just have a feeling. All right. I have a buddy that gets free rooms at the casino, gambles a lot. I think I'm gonna like, and she never stays there, so I'm gonna ask her to like book me a night. To be honest, and I'm gonna try just a different mattress for one night. It's gonna be so good. But I just want to try a different mattress just once to see, because I do feel like it's my mattress topper. I just need a new one. I think that mattress is fine. I got a firm mattress. And I like having a firm mattress and then make it softer with the mattress topper. But the problem is I got either too firm of a mattress topper or too soft of one. I bought two. Trying to find the perfect fit. I think it needs to be in between. I am tired, yes. All right. Let's go ahead and we're going to run ads for 2 minutes. This is your chance, your only chance to go to the bathroom. There will be no other chances. Wash your hands before you get back. Do not touch your keyboard without washing your hands. Okay. All right. We are clean and hygienic here. And then when we get back, we'll go ahead and finish this up. And we should be able to finish it up by the time we're done. So, all right, be right back. All right, we are back. Cool. Ads are done in 3 seconds. Let's go. I'm looking forward to doing the song request for subs. I think that'll be fun. I do have to put together the sub goals. I haven't had any other people submit more sub rewards or milestones or anything like that in Discord, so I'll have to look through what we have. See who was trolling and who wasn't. Oh, thanks. Of course Zinka posted that in general. Of course she did. Of course she did. What's up, live stream? It's going pretty well. How are you doing, man? I think we're going to run today. I'm low energy, but I know I'm going to feel better after I run. We've used --list to see all the configuration values for the get flag is useful for getting a single value. Keys are in the format section key name, for example, user.name. Okay, so use a get to get the values of web. Wait, we already did that. We are good. We're moving on. The unset flag, which we need because we broke something, is used to remove a configuration value. For example, get config unset key. Okay, so we have... What is it? Get config... I don't know. What was it? So we could do the cat of the get config, or we could do list. That's what I wanted. Get config list local. Okay. So we're going to do get config unset webflix.validation. All right. Now we're going to unset the entire Webflix section. Oof. What? Huh? Webflix. Is it, do we have to do like local? Key does not, oh, lick, hold on. No, that's not what I wanted. Key does not contain a section Webflix. Ah. The fuck? It doesn't. We'll figure it out. Webflix. Key. Get. Config. Unset key. So, wait, we can't unset an entire section, can we? Try using unset. So we can't unset the section, but we probably have to do each of these. Okay. Cool. All right, let's go. What happened when you tried to unset the Webflix section? Oh. Okay. The entire section was unset. It failed because I can't unset the entire. It needs a key. Oh, unset all. Purge all instances of a key. Okay. So typically in a key value store, like a Python dictionary, you aren't allowed to have duplicate keys. Strangely enough, Git doesn't care. Oh, that sucks. The unset all flag is useful if you ever really want to purge all the instances of a key from your configuration. Conversely, the unset flag only works with a single instance of a key. Okay. Assignment. When only the most unhinged of projects operate this way, some projects, including Webflix, allow for multiple CEOs. Let's add a few more CEOs. All right, let's do it. All right, we got live stream. Git config add. Do Zinka. Oops, add webflix.ceo Zinka. And then git config add webflix.ceo done. All right, cool. So git config unset all. The company just went under. We all lost our jobs. Probably all should have lost our jobs if we needed 3 CEOs to run that company. All right, let's go. Kara Crips just released, and wow, I saw that live stream. I did see that. Have you tried it yet? No, not nice. No, it's not nice. Not nice indeed. Let's see. All right. So remove all the CEOs with unset all and then submit. All right. I might buy one more of these for my right wrist. It's actually kind of helping it, and maybe it can give my wrist a little bit of a break. Let's go. Oh, forgot to route the sound. That's all right. Remove a section. As I pointed out before, the webflix section is a nonsensical because Git doesn't use it for anything. While we can store any key value pairs we want in our Git configuration, that doesn't mean we should. The remove section flag is used to remove an entire section. Okay, gotcha. Okay, so we have Git. Let's add a couple back. Git config add. Local. We should do local, right? So we're gonna do local. Oh. Can we just do 35? Like a number? Cool. All right, and then we do git config remove section streamer. No, git config remove section streamer. Okay. Let's go. What's up, Ram? You guys will be fine. Severance packages is insane. Yeah. Yeah. We saved all the severance packages for us, not the employees. We split it 3 ways. Fuck them. Given that Netflix stock shot up after Prime left, it's not that wild that the company in which he is a CEO went under and we lost our jobs. Oof. Wait, what? It's not that wild. Oh, that the company in which he is CEO went under. That's true. That was telling, right? That he is going to do that for another company. Very true. Very true. All right. Let's run these tests. Yeah, we were some vicious CEOs. And to make it even more fun, what we did was we implemented a flat structure except for us. So we basically told the rest of the employees to like figure it out and figure out hierarchy. if they wanted one, while we sat at the top and just watched. Locations. There are several locations where Git can be configured. From more general to more specific, they are system, etc. Git config, a file that configures a Git for all users on the system. Okay. Global, a file that configures Git for all projects of a user. Local, a file that configures Git for a specific project. .git is okay. So that's global. In the root, work tree, git config work tree, a file that configures Git for a part of a project. Okay. It was a bloodbath. Webflix Hunger Games. I like it. In my experience, 90% of the time, you will be using global to set things like your username and email. The other 9% of the time, you'll be using local to set project-specific configurations. The last 1% of the time, you might need a futz with system and work tree configurations, but it's extremely rare. Overriding. If you set a configuration in a more specific location, it will override the same configuration in a more general location. For example, if you set the user.name in the local configuration, it will override the user.name set in the global configuration. All right, cool. Suppose you set user.name prime at the system level, user.name lane at the global level, user.name TJ at the local level. Which value will Git actually use? TJ. Okay, which is stored in the user's home directory. Remember that home is, okay. Well, in the user's home directory, it should be global. Yes, okay. Damn, we got through this pretty... Wait, that's it? Damn. I think tomorrow we'll do branching and merge, right? Branching is a bit larger. Merge can be a bit larger too. Okay. Y'all, I'm good with that. Let's just chat for a little bit. We did it. Let's go. I just wanted to do 2 sections. All right. What's up, everyone? How's your day going? And are you working on anything? Did you code anything? Oh, you know what, Zinka? You know what I was thinking? You know, it'd be fun. We built like a community thing. I think it would be fun to build a web project with Canvas where, like, the streamer, like if the streamer was annoyed with their chat or just wanted to troll their chat, they could pull up like a mini game or something like that where chat was in the audience and they could control themselves, but like kind of make it like a boss battle, like the streamer versus chat. And if the streamer wins, like if he shoots down certain people that are trying to attack him in the game, and those people are his or her chatters, right? And let's say like the streamer destroys one of them, they get timed out for like a minute or 10 minutes or whatever, like as long as you want them to. I think that'd be fun. And then like to have like a war with your chat. Do you like, there are so many streamers, especially larger streamers that you can think of that like will kind of just like argue with their chat. Like they kind of make it an entertaining thing. I think that'd be a lot of fun. And there could be like consequences to the streamer, and it'll probably be through like overlays and stuff like that, where like if they die, something happens. But that would be fun. Big project though. Seems like it'd definitely be a big project. I wonder how many streamers would want that. Yeah, if you die in Canvas, you die in IRL. I don't know. Right? That's your decision to make. So, hopefully not. What's SAO style? By the way, do we have anyone on YouTube? We got 5 people. What's up? How you guys doing on YouTube? I have a lot of little ideas that I want to build, like fun little projects. I think we are going to do a hackathon. I think we're going to do a community project. I don't think it's going to be that advanced. I don't think it should be. but something the community can complete within a week or a few weeks, maybe 4 weeks. SOA, a bridge. Oh, Sword Art Online. What is that? That'd be a big project. I don't even know where to start with that. Yeah, it would be a big project for sure. Probably start with connecting to IRC with Twitch. You'd probably want like the interactivity, like Twitch might measure engagement and push your stream out more if there's more chat involvement. So you would probably want Twitch to control their characters through typing stuff in the chat. And so your chat would be a lot more active. So you'd probably want to connect to Twitch IRC for them to be able to control it. But you'd have something reading the chat coming in from the specific usernames. And you could start linking it to however you identify those users on the screen. But yeah, Canvas, like if you want to go... I think that'd be like a really long, fun project for 3JS if you wanted to learn something like that. What's up, Brandon? Just chilling? Nice, man. Nice. Always. Yep, Commandos. You're always at least lurking. Hackathon would be great. Yeah, I put out something in Discord. I think people do want it. But we'll probably do a hackathon and build open source, community-based project. It's an anime? Wait, does Anonymous watch anime? Is that why you tagged him? I forgot, does he? I wanted... Wait, SOA. Sword Art Online, that's an anime? Called that? Is it like two kids fighting or whatever? Is it good? I wanted to get into Twitch extensions before I got this new job. Totally dropped it since. You could do that. I don't know if you could do that with Twitch extensions. I don't know if there's limitations with that. I would imagine there are. I think you would want to have the streamer pull up a screen, just a website, and just like if they activate it, it's just like a URL that you're going to link one of your sources to. But maybe they press a button where they could battle people. But they would probably want to load up Canvas so that they can control their own character and destroy all of the chatters. It could even be like a zombie sort of thing, right? Like if you have a streamer with 1,000 viewers, you see those games. A lot of times it's like a mobile game where it's like 1,000 zombies coming at you. And then as a streamer, you could pick up stuff and shoot all the viewers down, mow them down. I think that'd be fun. Who doesn't watch anime? I haven't watched anime in a long time. It's older. The first season is pretty good. Like Jackbox style, it kind of would be something like that, except they would interact by typing in chat. But there would be a delay with the stream, so I think the interactions that they do and the control that they have over their character the game would have to be designed in a way where they don't have to respond immediately, because there would be a delay and that would be unfair. But yeah, like a Jackbox type game is pretty doable. In the coding bootcamp cohort that long time ago when I went to coding bootcamp, one of our groups did create like a Jackbox style game. And one of them, I think, got hired there too because of it. But it was a group that created a Jackbox. It was like Drawful, or what is it? I thought they imported their game or something like that in Jackbox. I could be way off on the lore of that. But like, it was a Jackbox style game. It was really impressive. It was, buggy when they presented it, but I think they continued working on it, and a very impressive group. I wish I would have been in that group, if I'm being honest. As a one bad experience I had in that coding bootcamp was that last group. No, thank you. Never again. But I like it because it like that group kind of gave me an idea of like what developers I wanted to work with in the future. And that's also kind of cool, like being able to do group projects. You figure out like what kind of developers you want to work with. Because I think you know, a lot of people just like want to get into the industry and they'll join any team and they only care about just getting paid the minimum that they can to be able to survive and make it in the industry. And I think a lot of people shoot themselves in the foot, and a lot of people join really shitty teams and just quit the industry. Like there are teams bad enough where you're just like, this sucks. I don't want to be in this industry. And I think like going on a specific PHP team I was trying to get on would have probably gotten me to quit the industry. You could join really bad teams that just give you a really bad impression of the industry, and you don't have to. You think you want to, but like surviving 6 months at a position like that doesn't do much for you. Not when you don't come out with references, not when you don't grow from it, because maybe you're just stuck on stupid shit you don't want to, like, that isn't helping you grow. A lot of people think, oh, if I get even 6 months of professional experience, it's not as valuable as you think it is. It depends on what you're doing there. Yes, I do care about making the minimum to survive. Again, it's like people have said that. Of course you could, so you could do that through part-time jobs, right? But people have said that for the dev stuff and have quit the industry. You think you do. You think you do. But there are other ways to do it where you're not going to grow gray hair within 6 months. Your hair just doesn't turn gray, right? Like that hair pops out and then it replaces it with the gray hair, right? Because what if you just never get a haircut, then you never go gray, right? That's facts. Yeah, I think so. So for a lot of people that don't want to grow gray hair, like just don't cut your hair. I feel like it's kind of a hack. I think we discovered something. All right, now you guys teach me something. I just taught you something. And I feel like that was a pretty cool life hack. So what you have to teach me needs to be cool. It needs to be relatively equal value. What do you guys got for me? No, it's cool. I'll wait. I do think I'm going to go running, though. I think I am. I'm feeling a little bit more energized. I'm tired, but I want to hit 1.5 miles today. What's up, Loki? Hope everyone's well today. Yeah, we are all doing well. How are you doing, man? Hi, Don. Negative gray hair gonna grow in. Not if you don't. Nope. Doesn't work like that. Doesn't work like that. Won't grow if you don't replace it. Fact, setting up a foot cam will raise your viewership by 130. What is with you and feet? Huh, Zinka? And how do you know that percentage? Have you tried it? Has anyone been watching Zinka's Monday streams lately? What's going on over there? Some streamers try to end up on WikiFeet. That's a thing. Yeah. Does that gain you real viewership? No one want to see my feet? Didn't you say that you sold feet pics one time? In your stream, I think you said that. Or did someone in your chat say that? It absolutely does. Are you trolling us? No. Yeah, if you never want to grow gray hair again, yeah, you just don't cut your hair. She has a 24/7 under the table stream. It's just a different platform. That's probably what it is. No, don't spread lies like that. No, I'm not even joking. I thought maybe it was one of your viewers. I think maybe it was you. I don't know. Python ignores underscores so you can represent long numbers that have commas with an underscore. We did learn that, Commandos. You are right about that. And I think that's pretty cool. Use Wikifeed as a funnel to Twitch. I don't think it works like that for guys, though, does it? Like, are there any popular foot stars with guys? I actually don't want to know them. Never mind. Forget I asked that. I've been approached in DMs for a lot of weird stuff, but I never replied. Okay, that might have been it. Might have been the DMs. It might have been the DMs. I have a gray-white hair. It was long and sad watching it turn. Oh, no. I don't think it turns. No, we heard it gets replaced. So, yeah, you just don't cut your hair and you're good. What's your feet finder? Hold on one second. All right, let's go. He's getting the foot cam. I am not getting the foot cam. Not on this website, anyways. By the way, we will be moving over to Kick. I'm not going to tell you the topic, but it's just a surprise. After we end the Twitch stream, we will be on Kick. Tooth Fairy swaps your hair over. That's probably what happens, honestly. Never sleep, never gray. I like it. So yeah, I guess we gotta go without sleep for a while. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with you, Parody. Yeah, it's not happened to any of us. Yeah. I don't know. It's probably, yeah, you probably just like got that haircut and then, yeah, some of the gray came in. I think that's what happened. Kick Furry Feet stream. Dude, one of the furries that used to come in a long time ago. It's so cringe. It's so cringe. I checked out his stream a couple times. And so now he dresses up as a furry. Now he does. He didn't do it on stream before. Now he does it on stream. And he would like have a request where you could like look at his feet. And I remember when I came across that, I banned him from my channel. But then he brought his furry friends, and that's when the war started. Yeah, it was a Rust dev, yeah. Ram. I'm not gonna name him. But yeah, no, this is a real thing. Like he would, for sub money, he would show feet. And it wasn't Prime. I know you might think it's Prime, but it wasn't Prime. Yeah. Furry Feet War of 2019. Welcome back to the YouTube stream. Thank you, Commandos. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I had a Hitler video made of me. I think I told you guys this. It's a video like with background German music or like some German speech. Pretty sure it was Hitler talking. But it's because I banned one person. And that like he's just being a dick to people. And then I got that video that attracted like a group of Russians that all came into my stream. It was like 4 or 5. That were just there to troll. And they would like link the video. It was so stupid. People had so much time on their hands. It was when I first started streaming. But that's about all the lure. We had the furry war. of 2018, or I think it was even like, yeah, 2018. And then we had the Russian War 2019. They might have been the same year, to be honest. You saw a couple go in reverse once and thought that was hopeful, but the last time marches on. Time does march on. Indeed. I come back from eating and we talk about furries. Yeah, because Zinka's here. Who do you think brought it up, Bones? Every single time. Who brings up the topic? Who do you think it is? Your beloved streamer. Who do you think is bringing that topic up? Take one guess. Out of all the names in chat, who brought it up? Yep. Zinka again. No, it wasn't Jake this time. All roads lead to furries, as the saying goes. Yeah. Dude, we talk about furries a lot in here. Like, a lot. How about the war against what's the best boot camp askers? No one's going to coding boot camp anymore. I think that's where the questions stopped. But yeah, we had a war against which coding boot camp. Yep. I could put it in 2 rules. I don't recommend coding boot camps for rule 2. I don't recommend coding boot camps for rule 3. No one cares. Yeah, we had a war with that. I think that was my most annoying question. I don't really care now. But sometimes as a streamer, if you just get the same question over and over and over, and maybe Zinka, you can attest to this, or maybe it doesn't bother you, but like, it just gets annoying. What do you mean this time? Jake heard me. Zinka's definitely dipping a toe into furry. I think so. I think so. I think what she's trying to do is like get me into anime first, and it's a bit of a, like a gateway thing into furrydom. So that's why I'm kind of like avoidant anytime she brings up anime. I don't know what's wrong with furries, nor have interacted with one. Oh, so much is wrong with furries. Just go to a furry convention. I've never been to a furry convention, but I've seen videos. Don secretly sketching a furry emotes, desiring for Twitch. Dezing for Twitch. Yeah, some people do have furry emotes in their streams. I don't think we're ever going to have a furry emote. All right. Well, thanks, guys. This is a good conversation. I appreciate you bringing up the topic, Zinka, like usual. But I'll probably head out in a couple minutes, so we'll chat for a couple more minutes, but I'm going to go for a run today. All I know is they're sweating underneath the furry costume. Dude, that thing has to be hot. It's like any costume you wear is hot, right? That's why no one likes wearing a mask for Halloween. I'll be at a crypto convention in a few weeks. Heard there are furries there. I'll make sure they sub to your channel. Don't you dare tell them about my channel. Don't you dare tell them about my channel, or I will tell them about your side business with your feet transactions. No, anime is not a gateway to furries. Well, maybe it is, but see, Bones even says it. Thank you. Dude, your audience is honest. I like it. Dropped a great clip in the mod chat for you, by the way. I know. I called it out. I'm like, thank you, Zinka. Thanks for that. Or wait, is it another one? No, okay, it's just that one, yeah. Yeah, it's a good clip. I think we can pin clips, right? Can't you pin clips for your channel? It's a new one? I see the Touch Tittles one. You called it Touch Tittles? That's the only one I see. Oh, hold up. In the mod. Out of context clips. All right. Let's watch it. Let me reroute the sound. The video might not line up with the audio. All right, we ready? What is it? Yeah, I had a Hitler video made of me. Thanks, Zinka. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for that. Appreciate that. Jesus. What the fuck? I thought you were gonna do like a furry one. Okay, you know what? No. We're done. We're done talking before I get myself canceled. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you guys being here. I will be live tomorrow, 4 p.m. Central Time. Yep, I'm out. Goodbye. Don't cancel me. Bye-bye. Bye.